Oh yeah, right, and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you on how to set up a VPN app and get a super fast and stable connection, extra protection as you are using the internet. So this app is on Google Play Store. Head over to your Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. And when you reach on Google Play Store, you search for this app. It's known as PK Tunnel. And let me take this chance to welcome all viewers or subscribers of this channel, that you are highly welcomed. On this channel we share apps that can help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security when you are online. And when you search for PK Tunnel, you pick this one, PK Tunnel Plus. So among the presented, you opt for this. This app will help you to secure your connection when you are online. So after you installing this app, you need to set it up. So you open the app to set it up. And as we open the app, in case you are new on this channel, you are highly welcomed. And in case you are already a subscriber of the channel, you are also welcome. And when you reach in the app's home screen, you are required to do some simple settings. First of all, tap on the update button to update the app resources, so that this app can work as it secures your connection. And after that, tap on online. This will allow the app to update to the latest version. And after updating the app, you are required to pick a server. Where you see auto select, you tap here, and then from here you can pick any of your desired server. But for today's guide, I recommend you to use the auto select server option. This is because the app will automatically choose the best performing server in your region. In case you need to change, you can simply tap on any of the available. And after picking a server, from this box below here, choose your country name. For example, in today's guide, I have chosen Uganda. So you pick your country name, and after picking your country name, the app will be able to establish a connection due to the chosen country, because it will have the settings tailored to the selected country. So make sure to pick your country name, and after doing that, to insert a super fast and a secure connection and to add an extra layer of security using PK Tunnel Plus VPN, you tap on this start button and you give this app a few seconds. The app will be connected, as you can see right here, and your connection will be secured. And that's how we set up PK Tunnel Plus VPN to get a super fast and a secure connection, and also to get an extra layer of security when we are online. And that's it for today's guide. Please like, share and subscribe on this channel for more useful content, and let's meet in the next video.